I mean, LA, in many ways, it is not a border town, but in many ways it is. You know, we have so many communities represented in Los Angeles from around the world, and particularly so many communities from Latin America. So these maquiladoras, these factories, are where many of the migrants that come from Latin America work before making their way into the United States often. So I think some voices that would be really relevant to listen to would be the student voices, especially first-generation voices, voices of students whose own families have worked in some of those factories, because that's definitely the story of my own family. My mother definitely worked in one of those maquiladoras here in the city of LA. So knowing that, like how that, the life of a factory worker, in many cases, those factories are sweatshops. They continue to exist not just in the border towns, but here in the city of LA. So it would be really interesting to hear the voice of students whose families might have that experience, lived experience.